In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect BenQ Projector to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use your BenQ projector in conjunction with your laptop. This will work for any laptop model that you have, Windows, Mac, it doesn't matter, as long as you establish a physical connection between the BenQ projector and the laptop. You will be able to mirror over the screen or any other image that you have. So to get this done, like I said before, you will need to use the proper cables. Usually, if your laptop has an HDMI cable, this is going to be the most convenient option because all that you have to do is grab a standard HDMI to HDMI cable, plug one end into the laptop and the other one into the projector. There's no secret to this. HDMI ports are used for this exact purpose, so as soon as you establish a connection like this, you will be good to go. However, a lot of modern laptops lack HDMI ports, but don't worry, you can still get this done with ease. So the main option that you have is to purchase a USB to HDMI cable. This is going to be compatible with most laptop models and even smartphones. So all that you have to do is use the proper cable to connect them together. So you plug one end of the cable in here and the other one goes into the projector. Again, it's as simple as establishing a direct connection. Alternatively, you also have the option to purchase an adapter or a hub. Adapters like these will give you access to an HDMI port, so you plug them into the laptop and then they give you an HDMI port here. So you use this HDMI port to establish a connection between the laptop and the projector. Of course, for this solution, not only will you need the HDMI cable, but you will also need the adapter. So choose whichever option you want to use. And once this is done, the projector will mirror the screen of the laptop directly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect BenQ Projector to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.